walking today. Nah, just kidding. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Check it out. Next door. Literally. Walk to my mechanic's house, my boy's house, the homie's house, everything. Look who's getting a special update today. Look at he's on the floor right there. My boy Chris over here. Ah, good morning. What's up, baby? How you doing? What's up, How are you? Good. New wheels finally?
Yeah, this is the Coilovers.
Oh, adjusting the coil. You're gonna go slam? You lying?
Yeah.
Hey, who after you in the butt right here, dog?
That's how I got it, bro.
Damn, they big you in the butt. STI boys? I'm telling you, he does everything all in one. 3-inch piping all the way down, brother. Damn. Yes, this is the same Subaru that this guy passed us on in the Crest. If y'all watched it before, with the pops and the bangs. I didn't fucking press record. I was trying to record this guy doing his thing right here, and I pressed the goddamn camera button. So, what are you doing again? Let's do this again, dog.
We're adjusting our homie Chris's suspension. He has full coils. We're adjusting. He just got some new wheels, so beefy setup. So we're raising it 3/4 of an inch, so he doesn't fuck up his new white body.
Oh yes. Yeah. It looks sitting pretty. Ooh, black foam. Ooh. I'm not a Subaru head, so. Alright, my boy, so what do you have done to this shit?
Almost a full bolt on. Only is missing the headers and the up pipe and a different turbo, but it's on the 85.
Ooh.
You got the front mount, everything mostly cob. Right here, you got the whole intake system with the blow off. You got a Subaru, make sure you get this. This shit makes it sound good.
That's what makes the
turbo
noise?
yeah,
The
turbo noise.
Tweet.
Yes, sir.
and you want to tell the viewers what you did with the coils? Just kidding.
Oh.
He's gonna put himself on blast, guys.
Look at this shit. I fucking installed it wrong, got one bolt that broke.
You see the bolted, broken bolt right here, guys? Look at that. And look at this one. See how it's sitting? So don't trust that guy.
Yeah,
that's why he's coming to him, right? Yes, sir. Oh man, I can't wait for the wheels.
Tomorrow. I'm gonna be back here tomorrow.
Oh, let's do it. I'll continue this tomorrow. New car, guys? New car? When I'm on tune, or when I tune mine, let's go. Let's run it. It's all driver, though. I don't know. You ran somebody that I knew, but I don't think that it was driver spec at that point. I mean, driver mod. At that point, because the car is pretty fast. So I'm just saying. I'm telling you guys, he does everything. This is the second car for the day. So it's an all over the place vlog, but this is my other boy's SI. I know you guys seen it before. Mr. Arturo over here, acting like a stranger. I gotta pull up the camera with you, bro. How you doing, baby?
Good.
Good, man. Long time no see.
Trying to get ready.
Trying to get ready for Sunday, huh?
Yeah,
Let's do it. It's gonna be SI on SI on SI. What's up, Papa? Back again, see? I'm telling you, this guy's a busy man, man. He does everything. This is a whole walkthrough. Remember, got the wheels, got everything, inlet pipe, holder intake for the SI if y'all interested. You'll forget that he chipped already. I just seen that right there. What's that? Oh no,
It doesn't look too bad from far away though.
From far away you can't tell. It's black.
I'm like, I'm leaving it.
It's not bad.
It's not a big deal.
Tin and
It was
windshield.
about to happen though.
What are you putting today? Your
Rear wing again because it fell off.
oh,
Diffuser,
the
and then-
window one?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Should be the window
So the
one,
diffuser and then the
diffuser,
and you live straight on there. Look at that
and
shit.
then we're gonna stiffen up the coil springs again.
Alright, ready? Oh, it clunks?
On the driver's side also.
That's crazy.
Not too bad.
That's too bad. So you can put the window spoiler back on and your diffuser?
Yep.
Oh, okay. This time I have energy to do this.
Yeah.
Yeah, Chris came earlier, so
Yeah, he was telling me.
mm-hmm.
You got
We did his car earlier,
He
so
lifted his car back up because it was slammed and he got new wheels.
that's what I told him. Autozone run real quick, guys. Oops, sorry. My bad. Thank you, sir. I see everybody filming Autozone. I'm filming Autozone too, shit. Gotta buy some wire and some connectors, guys. Sheesh. Roll of wire. Cheap ass roll of wire. Which is not here. Damn, I'm gonna put this on the Type R, guys. No, look, hey. Hey, you should put this on. Limited edition SI. Bruh, you cannot go wrong. America. Right here. America. No, you gotta put the sport one right there, baby. Damn. Oh no, you gotta put the LEDs with the LED. Ooh, damn, these are strips. What the fuck's your shit at? Oh, the tail light. Shit, I keep forgetting.
No.
What do you guys use for chemicals to wash your? Look, little tiny roll, not that big. Like this one, like speaker wires over here. So that was an AutoZone run. It's only little ass shit that we missing to complete our mission. So this is our mission right here, diffuser. Right there. Going on here. So let's see how hard it is, but it's always some stupid little things that never finish a mission. I don't know if you guys go through that, but comment down below if you do. It's always the tedious things that you never get done because it's missing something so small. Also, guys, I really want to appreciate the love you guys showed me. Last video is doing very well. Please like and subscribe, comment down below. The process of modifications. Huh. Yeah, I get it right. He had it on already, the rear window diffuser, but it came off. So we got he got to sand all his excess tape down on your seat right here. Get on right. Damn, that's a lot of work.
I think so.
So the process is getting a diffuser on. You have to clean it first. Most definitely. Make sure the glue sticks. And we'll see how good it sticks on right now. So process is almost done. Let's see what the outcome looks like. So you gotta take out these plastic clips right here. Oh wait, you took this one off too? No.
No, I don't need to.
Oh, it's just these side ones? Oh, the side ones
Yeah,
in here?
And all this under here.
And then all this right here too. And then right here. That'll be your diffuser right there. So
Yeah, boss.
y'all SI owners, y'all see how this works. There you go, guys. Here it is, the double man installation. See? How many people it take to put on a diffuser? There you go, there's your answer.
Yeah, no, I'm not. I'm just going all the way through the exhaust. My side looks good. Let me know when you're ready and we'll push up.
Moment of truth, guys. Moment of truth. You fucked up. That's all
Like
it.
it?
That's all she wrote. That's just crooked, guys.
We have to slide a little more this way.
There it is.
How's it there?
Wait, you weren't you supposed to put connector first?
What happened?
The light?
No, we got
It's
it.
gonna run through from the top.
That's it?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. My bad, bruh.
Headbutt.
Ooh, look, your exhaust fits perfectly now.
I know.
It looks nice.
There we go.
Okay, okay.
Right there.
Makes a big ass difference. Just a little piece of butt booty, huh? There, rain light.
The tape's not sticking?
Over here, yeah.
Get
Heat gun is a trick.
Yes,
Is it a
sir.
trick?
Copper band.
Help it mold into the molding. Is the
Get
mold
the
into the
glue
mold?
hot.
Oh yeah, you're right, because it sticks on better, huh?
Yes, sir. See, so there's no more gap right here.
I got scared. There it is. Oh, it is good. It looks. It does one more a lot more tighter. Oh wow. Crazy how it doesn't melt the plastic though.
You have to be careful. Can't get
You
too
know,
close,
spot.
they should burn it.
That would be completely disintegrated.
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, that's not bad.
It looks like it's part of the car.
Yeah. Hey, we got splats.
There's some that come with it. You can order them.
There's some splats.
It's a 2-piece kit.
There's like the homie spot right here. Like my boy just pulled up right there. Red SI. Yeah, I got an SI trading Type R. He
He did the opposite.
He did the opposite. He went back. He said, "Fuck it." There you go. It's all said and done. Let me see. Sturdiness. Oh wow.
Look at this, guys. No gaps
No gappers. Look,
whatsoever.
No gaps. They're all here. Oh, this is nice. Okay. I should just slap flush with it. The heat doesn't work, huh? The heat gonna melt the tape even more. And then the homie with the El Stocco LSIO red. Congratulations on the new car, dog. What's up, my boy?
All right, man.
How you doing, dog?
Doggy.
Oh my God, how you been?
Chilling.
Good.
Oh man, I was just about to see if you put this on, man. I'm about to
Damn, this is it right here. Red SI, white SI. We're gonna have like 4 SIs going with us on Sunday, so you will see. Y'all like SIs? I do for a daily. I'll be sick. A Type R and an SI. Hopefully it's not too dark, guys. There you go.
Ooh, they just opened
Yes,
that
sir.
schedule up to it.
All done, guys. Look at this. Check this out.
Monday, it's over.
With the how can I say this? Wing diffuser? Window diffuser? That's just sick. Now it all ties in together. Black wheels. Yeesh. Okay. You like?
I like
You
it.
like?
It
I
looks
like.
good.
Looks really
It
good.
needs to be washed.
Oh yeah, 100%.
It'll make a big difference.
Get it ready for Sunday, sir.
Exactly.
There she is. Well, there you go. That light is amazing. Thank you. You know what? I need a light. But alright, guys, this is it right here. Tomorrow will be the wheels for the STI. Alright, guys, check it out.
Look at it. It needs a flashlight. It looks good like that. There you go.
Fucking sick.
It definitely looks good. Oh yeah. It definitely says you're braking.
Final product. That should look good. Ooh.
You put it in square mode when you reverse it, bro. It
Verbals, yeah, I know.
Verbals
I
way
did. I
more.
did it on my son's car. Should verbals way more.
Damn, that looks good.
It does.
What LED lights were you talking about?
The sequentials. Yeah, you need the sequential. Oh, the white ones. Yes, you need those on there too.
Because they look yellow.
Yeah, I know. I told you.
They don't sell them at Autozone, huh?
No, get them online. It's cheaper. Sheesh.
I can't wait to get all my stuff.
It's SI crew right here. Today is the SI channel, guys. Don't worry. Type R still over there. Red, white.
Oh shit, my number. It does, it looks way better.
It looks good. It burbles. It sounds good.
Here's the turbo spool and that shit.
I never heard my car from outside. I need somebody to drive that shit and film it.
You know these cars are missing fog lights, bro.
Yeah, that should have some fog lights. Sheesh, dude.
We need to fix those amber.